Duometre is probably one of the greatest innovation in the traditional watchmaking that has been achieved in the recent years. It all started at the beginning of the 21st century when Jaeger-LeCoultre was seeking of developing a brand new chronograph that would be different from all the chronographs that are today based on the same principles invented in the 19th century. What we did was to create a second gear train for the chronograph that would have its own supply of energy, so a dedicated second barrel, so that we can have a chronograph that will not take energy from the traditional gear train that is used for the precision of the watch. The concept of this new chronograph was so strong that we decided to name it Dual Wing to reflect that new architecture with the 2 gear trains and 2 power supply. And that led then later to the creation of the Duometre line that would reflect in its design the duality of the mechanical movement. We then decided to use it for further developments and to apply it to other functions like the Duometre à quantième lunaire, and also to create the first universal time watch, the Duometre UTT, that allows you to display a second time zone not only with the conventional time zones, but also to adjust the minutes of the second time zone so that you can display any time zone using 30 minutes or 15 minutes difference from the conventional time zones. I hope that we will carry on surprising you in the future with new functions based on that tremendous dual wing concept. Thank you very much.